Hi everyone. You all know I am coming live very often nowadays. I think you all will think that I have become a little vela and I have no other thing to do but to come and chat with you. Well, that is partly not right because all of you who follow us know that during quarantine or during lockdown, we are those, online entities that work in fact a lot more than we would have when we were at office. So, when we are all meeting together, the entire team of nutritionists, or the entire tech team, or the backend team, or the marketing team, we all know that we are working for more than 14 to 15 hours a day, and we have no complaints at all regarding this. So, I have come live today, specially for the clients of Balanced Nutrition and all you followers. uh, Everybody who knows Balanced Nutrition knows that we have online programs for weight loss, lifestyle management. When we were doing our statistics, we found out that we have helped more than 3,000 cases of GI disorders, which means right from acidity to constipation and to IBS, to other complications like ulcers, ulcerative colitis, to even Crohn's disease and gluten insensitivity. We also had a nice little report coming out where we saw that we've helped more than 3,000 thyroids, more than 3,500 people with PCOS. And now things are turning because initially it was us who had to keep informing you or keep educating all of you to go on, a diet program, to make sure that from your busy lives, where you all were traveling and when you all were going to office and when there was Monday to Saturday, no time to breathe. But now it is time to take a pause. Luckily, what we did was we understood the fact that yes, it is very difficult as times are a little uncertain to commit into something long term or to commit into 3 month, 4 month, 5 month program when things at home are a little unsettled. You're cooking or you're working from home and you're on the computer all day. So what we did was we came out with something called as cleanse programs. These programs have been in our heads. We were always, as nutritionists, talking about things where anybody who cannot commit to a bigger program or anybody who cannot commit for a bigger challenge in life, say 4 months, 5 months, and somebody like me who had lost weight and in the bargain lost a lot of confidence, gained it back, who sometimes, when there were phases in my life when I really wanted to ask myself if I could actually do it. So this message is to all of you who wanted to lose weight or who wanted to manage your blood sugars or who wanted to take that one step for your health and are still a little unsure about your own confidence level. You have to look at BN Cleanse programs. These programs are very scientifically designed. They are only for 1 day, they are for 3 days, or they are for 10 days. Yes, when it means 1 day, just imagine the amount of effort from our end technically that has gone in making it. Lots of benefits are seen because we have had more than, during the lockdown period itself, more than 900 of you have done the 1 day cleanse. And it is not just about weight loss here, it is about ensuring that you are for 1 day giving your body nothing but the best. So your body immediately responds and immediately gives you a positive signal, starting with weight, then feeling energetic, feeling lighter, feeling a lot better with your bloating, your acidity, and that is the reason these programs are highly appreciated. So this mail or this video is only for all of you who want to take that one little step. Okay, it is even small in terms of duration. It is priced very economically. In fact, a lot of you are asking us about intermittent fasting. Yes, in terms and in times like this, where you are at home, where access to the fridge and the kitchen is always there, you have to realize that there is something very simple that you can do. And that something is put a mask at home, and that masking is called as intermittent fasting. we will now do a 10-day intermittent fasting with all of you, where you realize what it is to be on a 10-day fast. Try it out for yourselves and then see the effects of it. Given the times, we must understand that right now you cannot neglect health. The moment you go out, the moment your immunity is tested again, what will you show your environment outside? Will you show a body that has eaten all the junk, not really taken care of their health? Or will you want to be supremely fit, and will you want to be supremely energetic and make sure that you're giving your best when you have to go out? So instead of wallowing, instead of eating, instead of getting bored, instead of telling us that buy nahi hai, good na, free workout mil gaya, instead of telling us cook nahi hai, so good, you are going to be able to control the oil yourselves. Fruits and vegetables are available in plenty. It is summers. You are naturally feeling low on hunger, and vitamin C rich foods and fruits are available in plenty to you. So make sure that you take a look at the cleanse programs. Weight loss cleanse, acidity cleanse. We also have sugar detox for all of you who are craving unnecessarily and want to address that craving. We also have a very important 10-day quarantine plan and the Reform intermittent plan, where you can try your hands at intermittent fasting. Given the fact that more than 1,000 people over the last lockdown times have tried it and are very successful, I am sure you too will. So all those who are our clients, all you have to do is write back to your mentor, and if you are not a client with us, put your number or put a hi in the comment section, and I will be glad to help you with it. Now that I have spoken and given a very important message to all of those who were our clients and who would wish to try and do something about their health, let me move on to another important topic. And that important topic is me asking you the question for the day. The question for today, okay, which you will have to reply right here in the comment section is, how many of you have eaten one fruit up till now? It is 3:30 India time. So if you have eaten that fruit, all you have to do is say me. No one? Anyone who has eaten a fruit today since morning, or done anything for that matter to help immunity? No one? Anita, Bhakti, Namrata, Kavita, you? Jyoti, hi, are you? Yes, Mitali says that she did it. Ojaswini, you didn't do it. No fruit. Have you had herbal tea? Have you had green tea? So if no one is telling me, that means out of all of you who are watching us, there is hardly anyone who has taken interest in their health. Guys, you know, there was a saying that says, health is wealth. Okay, real wealth is health. Purnima, great job. So if real wealth is health, and at this time, if you're not taking care of your health, which is finally going to be your wealth, what exactly are we doing? Understood? So I want all of you to immediately start looking at the cleanse plan and contact us to ensure that there is some little small thing you did towards your health. Till then, it's a bye from me and the entire team who's waiting to hear from you. Bye-bye.